The new Arienne Audio version 3 K87. Check this out.
From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
If you're building a U87 clone mic and you're chasing that U87 sound, you have to have the right capsule. There's no doubt about it. The capsule is really probably about 85% of the battle. And once you get the other aspects of a U87 clone right, the right head basket shape, or at least close enough, and the right circuit, getting the right capsule on there will be the final chef's kiss of it all. What you're hearing is a Dany Bouchard D87 vintage 87i clone circuit. It's a 1-to-1 ratio clone, means it's a direct clone of the U87i. This is built with a Cinemag transformer, and it also has this body, which is very similar to a U87, but the head basket's a little bit different. And I never really liked the way it sounded before, until I put the Arienne Audio K87 version 3 in there. Because this capsule sounds right. This is modeled after a 60s era of vintage U87 capsule that is it's a golden master capsule. Like it really is. It's like one of those capsules that's like the best sounding capsule of its kind. And this is modeled after that. The obsessive design that has gone into this. Even the screws that hold the capsule together are custom. So Ari Bloss left no stone unturned when it came to designing this capsule. And it sounds like this. It sounds so great. So I'm so happy that it's finally shipping and I have my Arienne Audio K87 version 3. I could not be happier with it. So over here, look at it. Look at how beautiful this thing is. But I just wanted you to hear this capsule because I finally got the chance to put it in my vintage U87i clone here. And this is a mic that has a little bit of like part of my soul is in this mic because the entire reason I got into microphone DIY was because I saw other people had built this mic, and it took me 5 years from going from zero experience or knowledge about soldering or reading a schematic, and then reading the giant thread over a GroupDIY about 5 times over the course of a few years, and really finally understanding how to build this thing. And so I built it. It was such an achievement for me. And I even did it like around my birthday, so it was like a big thing for me. And then I was just like disappointed with the way it originally sounded because I just didn't have the right capsule. It just wasn't right. So I was so proud that I'd done it, but I was like, it's not really quite great. But now, with the Ari K87 V3 in it, oh man, does it sound right. So you can go over to arienneaudio.com to find these capsules. And you know what? I have a feeling that she's going to sell out again because they're so good. I think word's getting out how good these are. But I had to show this to you. I had to let you hear this because I am so geeked out over this. The Arienne Audio K87 V3. Go get it. I mean, seriously, go get it. If you're building a U87 clone, this is the capsule. Yeah, it's not cheap. It's not your $20 AliExpress capsule. But trust me, there's a great deal of difference. There's a lot of daylight in between how those sound and how this sounds. So, what do you think? She did it again. I'm so geeked out over this. I really am. So, let me know what you think. And also remember, please, to like and subscribe. Because that helps the channel. All right, let me know what you're thinking. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov on the Arienne Audio K87 V3, fading to black.